Hello everyone and welcome to another HelloTalk video. Now I'm going to show you how to get it on your phone. Let's not waste any time. Now if you want HelloTalk on your phone, on your computer, like it's on your phone with complete control of every kind of feature, this is how you do it. So you're going to download an application called BlueStacks, right? Whether you have a personal computer or a MacBook, in my case, this will work for you. And you know, if it works on a MacBook, it works on absolutely everything. So here is BlueStacks normal for the normal average people, and here is for the Mac OS users, you know, the strange people. So now I'm going to download it. It's going to take its sweet time to download, most certainly, and we're going to show you how you use BlueStacks and your computer and HelloTalk to even further magnify the language learning experience. Go ahead and install it. So we're going to install this application, and this will enable you to use even two different HelloTalk accounts at one time. You can use one on your computer and one on your phone, or you can use the same one. It will log you out of your phone, of course, and log you here, but you can simply log back on there and log here. What is the advantage of having it on your computer? Well, for example, me, when I'm recording videos, I find it slightly bigger when it's on my screen. It could enable you easier ways to copy data in. If you wanted to send pictures to someone, maybe you're at work, you can't use your phone, but you can use your computer. And of course, you can learn languages at work. Why not? Yes, so why not? So we've got our BlueStacks started up now. We're going to select our language. Let's not challenge ourselves by putting it in Spanish, huh? Let's go ahead with English, just because. So now that we're started, we're just going to go ahead, boom, boom, boom. It's going to check info. I'm going to type in some confidential information. Accepted their terms of service, and now we're going to go straight for HelloTalk. We're going to grab HelloTalk, click install, boom, and HelloTalk will be ours in a few seconds. What do they want me to do? Not now. Skip it. Just go get HelloTalk, download, boom, 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 spin, and hand HelloTalk over to me ASAP. Alright, so that's 7%. It's gonna finish in no time. 18%. Come on. 30%. You wanna go faster? Come on. 41%. You wanna feel it. The energy. 52%. Come on. Let's do it. 62%. Come on, feel it. Pump it. 73%. You're doing very, very good. 82%. 94%. Now 100%. Installing, done and dusted. Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and open that now, and we're good to go. So now that we've logged into HelloTalk, what I like to do is sometimes I like to make it slightly bigger. But they made it phone mode, so it can't really go much bigger than that, unfortunately. Don't know why. So we're just going to go ahead and go to Google, and it should sign me in and sign me out of my phone. So my phone just got signed out. As you can see, your account is logged in from another location, and that's that, done. And they would like to have access to my storage, boom. So now I'm on HelloTalk via my computer. Crazy. And what can I do? I can see my moments as a normal. There's people talking le français. Can someone share with me a good cinéma recipe and the chocotompe d'immédiat, you know, for example. So I can see my moments. I can go ahead and like my moments, and this is from my computer. I can write moments. I can do voice calls. I can do voice messages. I can do just about anything I would want to do normally. So this is how you get HelloTalk on your computer. Let us check if this gives you unlimited translations as well. So we're going to go into a group like Coffee and Sarcasm, and there are no messages here, so we can't use that. It's not loading any messages, so let's find somewhere where there are some messages. There are no messages. So what we can do, I guess the only way, you can initiate group calls as well. Very interesting. Perhaps the only way we can check our translation is here. So if I go translate, how do I translate? Translate, here we go. So 1, 2, oh, it's translating it different. That's 2. Let's go 3, Nice. And 4. I think HelloTalk might fix this after they see this video. 5. Okay, nice. This is it's funny. 6. 7. Okay, we're going good so far. 7, 8. Even though there's nothing to translate here. 9. 10. You know, when someone comes new, we gotta give them a like, let them know they're welcome. We're not gonna type anything though. So that's 9, and we're at 10 now. So that's the limit. Okay, so you will run out of translations on the phone one. Okay, good to know. So this one is not for that reason, but go ahead, feel free to use the BlueStacks version for whatever reason. HelloTalk on your computer. You can make some use of that surely. So that's the end of the video. Now you know how to use HelloTalk on your computer, and get it back on your phone is a simple procedure. Just go like so. If you want it back on your phone, just go punch your password in, log in, and boom, it's logged in there later. So thank you very much for watching. We'll be in touch in the next video. So as always, alo hecho pecho. Just get it done. What's done is done. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment and share if you like this video.